Namaste Ji. Welcome to Cult Live. I am Anil Kala and this is Yoga and Nature. We started our stamina series from Patna waterfall. We just loved this place and here we are starting our another series, Vinyasa strength, from this place. Alright, so we quickly move to our warm-up. I'm going to demonstrate the first warm-up quickly and then we'll practice all together. You just be there. Here we go for the first warm-up. We come to the plank position. We just do the rotation here, but how? You don't sink the hips down or lift the hips up. You maintain this position. You roll over to the right shoulder, to the front, to the left, and then the center. So 5 circles clockwise and then 5 circles anti-clock, reverse. On my count, all together, join me in plank pose now. Here we go. Don't lower the hips, don't lift it, just stay there. 1, big circles. 2, 3, if this is hard, keep the knees down. 4, 5, reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees. Sit back in Vajrasana. And second warm-up will be thread the needle. Just see what we're doing. Palms completely under the shoulders, knees under the hips. So we drop the left shoulder fully down on the mat. Here, left shoulder relaxing. Do not move the hips and see if you can lift the right arm up. Drop the palm down, come back up. Do the same on the other side as well. So we do this, 3 on the right side and 3 on the left side, all together. Here we are. Palms down, knees down. Let's start with the left. So we drop the left shoulder fully down. You can just stay here or you can lift this right arm up. Inhale, drop it down, come back up, switch the side, right shoulder down, lift the hand up, drop it down, come back up. 2 more on the left and 2 more on the right. Switch, lift up, drop the palm, come back up, change, and right down, lift the hand, drop, come up. Just one last, and change, lift, drop, come back up, and change, drop the shoulder, lift the left hand, come back up, and sit back. You can just be there. I am going to demonstrate the first sequence quickly. All right, then we can practice all together. So what we have in sequence 1 is we start off with Surya Namaskara A. Just see how we do that. Ekam inhale, Dve exhale, Treni head up, Chatwari jump or step, Pancha inhale, Shat exhale, and then you jump between the palms. You come up fully, bending both the knees, lift the right knee up, cross. See if you can place the thigh on the thigh, adjust and see if you can cross the legs fully there. Once you're comfortable there, keep the hands to the chest, keeping it simple. We stay there for a good 5 deep and long breaths. Once we're done, we release this position, straighten, lift the right knee higher, extend the leg out and sink the hips, bend this left knee. We stay there for 10 breaths. 10 breaths done. Fold forward, Dve, Treni head up, Chatwari jump, Pancha inhale, Shat exhale. Drop the knees and a quick breather in child pose. There you go. Complete rest. Catching the breath and walk the palms back. Beautifully done that sequence 1. Moving to the sequence 2, I'm gonna quickly demonstrate. Just be there and watch. So we start off with a quick Vinyasa, Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, and then we drop the elbow, right elbow down, push the chest in, and we take the left hand behind. So we do single hand dolphin. We stay there for 5 breaths. 5 breaths done, you come to plank position first. Here you go. Plank variation, what we're doing is single hand plank, open this leg to the side, open this hand and over the head. We stay there for 5 breaths, and then we come to plank, touch the knee to the elbow. 5 breaths there, go back, take the Vinyasa. There you go. And then we do the same on the other side. So if we are taking the left hand behind, okay, we do from one side, full left side, and then we do full right side. In between, we're taking a quick Vinyasa. That was really a strength session, right? We move to the next and last sequence. I'll quickly demonstrate. We'll finish it off now. Let's try and do it. Here we are. Quick Chaturanga, Urdhva Mukha, Adho Mukha, cross leg jump through. Extend the legs out. Chakrasana, 10 breaths. Paschimottanasana, 10 breaths. Let me demonstrate quickly. Here we go. We lie down. We take the position for Chakrasana. And in my count, you lift up. We stay there for 10 breaths. Then we drop it slowly down. We quickly hug the knees to the chest. We roll up and sit up. Here we go. Extend the legs out for Paschimottanasana. You grab the toes from the sides. Keep the knees bent. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale and fold. Go deep and long. 10 breaths there. 10 breaths done. You slowly come up. Lie down again. Bend the knees the way we did for Chakrasana. Interlace the fingers, palms under the head, drop the knees to the right side, gazing to the opposite. 5 breaths there, switch 5 breaths to the other side, hugging the knees one more time, taking a moment there. And Savasana, a quick Savasana here, open the legs, palms facing upwards and eyes closed. Complete rest. No more efforts. Just breathing in, breathing out. That's it. Leaving all the efforts. We did what we could. We did our best. And that is enough. Your best is enough. That's all we need. Stretch the toes out, stretch the arms back. Turn to the side and sit up, sit back on the mat. Sit comfortably. Calm, composed, relaxed. Stronger and calmer. The beauty of yoga. So we join the hands to the chest. We complete our session with 1 Omkara, 3 Shantis, short and soft, all together. Let us breathe in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Drop the palms. Covering the eyes, covering the face. Open the eyes, look into the palms and relax. So in the beginning, we showed you Rishikesh, a few glimpses of Rishikesh, and I want to show you more of my city of Rishikesh. So I'll leave you with that. This is Anil Kala signing off on behalf of yoga and nature. I'll see you very soon in the same mat. Thank you and namaste.